Right, here we go. This is what you get for untold amounts of cash. You've got your RAID array controller at the bottom. Going up, you've got 1, 2, 3 servers for your web, your server, database and your backup systems. You have a keyboard, 3 power bars, which we're getting charged a ridiculous amount of money for. A router, the screen itself. And going up you've then got 2 switches and your 2 PIX firewalls. And last but not least at the top you have your hub. Now for your money, that's what you get. Everything's working, I've put the cards in, I'm happy. No problems. Excuse the video, I can't get the long shot because it's too tight for space. A lot of cables. And if we can get a long shot, there we go.